What you are about to see is an excerpt of my imagination. You see, when there's a power outage and a thunderstorm, it can be quite scary. I understand that, especially if you're home alone and it's nighttime, really late, and you don't know where the candles are and the flashlights are, but you'll manage, right? But you don't have a doorbell. You don't have my doorbell. Hey Dan!
What?
Do you want to hear a ghost story?
Sure.
It's a true story.
Okay.
And I know this isn't the best thing to be saying during the sleepover, but this ghost story takes place at my house.
Really?
And it's a true story. You see, there's a ghost in this house, Dan.
What?
There's a real ghost in this house. I'm sure of it.
What do you say that for?
Because he's around. He's not in the attic. He's not in the furnace room. He's not in the basement.
Why the hell is he?
He's in the doorbell. I know it sounds crazy, but sometimes when I'm home alone, I hear weird things coming from that doorbell. Weird sounds. They come out of nowhere. When the power goes out, that's when he gets set free. What the Dude, what the hell? Dude, did you do that?
What do you mean did I fucking do that? Dude, you better be fucking... Dude, you better be fucking joking, because I'll fucking kill you. I will fucking kill you for joking.
Dude, stop, man. What the hell's going on? Is the power really out? The power's out, man.
What, is there a storm or something?
Dude, the phones are dead too.
Dude, your next door neighbor's power is on.
What?
Next door neighbor's power is on.
That's really weird. Our phones are dead too. That shit doesn't happen. Let's go upstairs. Dude, I'm going outside.
Why is your fucking door locked?
Get your flash, get your phone out.
Shit, can't see.
Dude, are you kidding me? I have a flashlight over here. Where's the flashlight? The door's not opening. What the hell was that?
Dude, this show's going on for long enough, man. Stop.
No, we need another way to get out of here. Try the side. We'll try the side door. Come on. What the hell was that? Dude, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I didn't do that. I'm not downstairs. Come on. Power's back on. It was my doorbell. The power's back on. No, that's not that good. Oh man, this is not... Oh my god. Oh my god, no.
What the fuck was that?
Oh my god, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here right now.
Dude, I wanna go home.
What the hell?
Fuck, man, Matthew's dead.
That's for Matthew, motherfucker!
What's scared of you? The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! He's so dead.
No! No!
No! No! No! What the hell happened up there? Can you see through
and he starts laughing.
Can you see through the mask?
I don't know. I feel like getting scared.
Dude, you know I don't like getting scared.
Well, I do. So I want you to tell me a scary story.
Watch Jason.
No, I watched it already. It's not good enough. How about we come up with our own story? And then maybe if we wish hard enough, it'll come true.
Why would you want it to come true? Are you suicidal?
I don't know, Dad. Why would I say that? He's around. He's not in the attic. He's not in the furnace room. He's not in the basement.
Why the hell is he?
He's in the doorbell. How funny is that? How funny does that sound?
Okay.
You're an idiot! We're fucking filming! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so good though. The next door neighbor's power is on. That was a good one.
Am I turning the power back on because the girl's an idiot?
Yeah. Wait, doorbell! Do it, do it.
I can't even see.
Is that good for the power lift? Keep on doing this?
You see what Mira wanted?
Fuck you, Axel! That's for Matthew!